Making up the east side of the Greater Toronto Area, Durham Region is nestled between three lakefronts: Ontario, Simcoe, and Scugog. From the bustling urban centres to the rolling hills of farmland and charming small towns, there is so much to explore all over Durham. Made up of 8 cities, towns and townships, including Pickering, Ajax, Whitby, Oshawa, Clarington, Scugog, Uxbridge, and Brock, Durham is home to 14 downtowns and main street areas. The small and locally owned businesses are at the heart of Durham's communities. Cafes and restaurants, shops and services, farmers markets and more can all be found in Durham's dynamic downtowns. A vibrant art scene is alive and well in Durham Region, with 32 live music venues, including 4 that can host over 500 people. There is always a performance to catch. Art galleries display thoughtfully curated exhibitions in every corner of the region. Festival goers flock to the many arts and music festivals that take place annually. No matter your music taste, Convergence, Winding Roads and Springtide host a varied lineup of musicians. Durham Region International Film Festival takes place annually and celebrates local and international cinema. Visitors to Durham are spoiled for choice when looking for a bite to eat. There is no end to the options, with cuisines from across the globe at your fingertips. Enjoy Congolese, Caribbean, Turkish, Korean, Irish, or German, all here in Durham. Locally sourced ingredients are prominently featured in the 10 Feast On certified businesses. Smells of baked goods and freshly brewed coffee waft out of bakeries and cafes, calling to the caffeine fiends and sweet tooths. With over 15 craft breweries and cideries, there's always something to wet your whistle. Friendly farmers throughout Durham invite visitors to join them for on-the-farm fun. Wander through mazes made in sunflower or cornfields, pick your own berries and apples, or shop the farm stores full of fresh produce. Events highlighting what's in season include maple syrup festivals, strawberry socials, and pumpkin paloozas. Each change in season reveals a new set of outdoor activities to discover. Golf courses and forest ziplining open up in spring. Summer calls for riding the rural cycling loops or paddleboarding at sunset. View the colourful leaves of autumn from a hiking trail or on horseback. Hit the slopes all winter long or adventure through the woods on snowshoes. Durham Region brings its A-game when hosting tournaments and their participants. Arenas, courts, pitches and diamonds over the entire region host athletes from across the country. Inclusivity is at the core of our sports community, with a wide variety of adaptive and inclusive sports played. In 2019 and 2023, Durham was proud host of the Ontario Para Sports Games. Our love of sport runs deep in Durham Region.